Hi guys, this is turon and famous siya sa Philippines. It is made of banana inside and wrapped by anong tawag dito sa wrapper na to? Lumpia wrapper, and it's yummy because it's so healthy. And if you come here in the Philippines, try to eat this one. Let's try. Sarap ng turon. It's a ripe banana. Yellow one. We called it saging saba. But you can also use the other types of banana. But I recommend the saba because it's so yummy. Kasi kapag yung mga lakatan or ibang banana, malata siya. Content ko na lahat ng ginagawa ko. This is famous merienda in the Philippines.
Mama.
Nabudol naman mama model. Soft drinks gusto niya talaga. O, addict niya natin sa soft drinks. So if you're going here in Philippines, you'll find this one sa street. No, in Manila, they also sell like this. It's it's like the same taste with banana Q, but this one is not so sweet because they don't put that much of sugar. Sarap, pero nakakaumay. Laki eh. Thank you for watching. Please follow or subscribe, like, and share. God bless.